When Ford announced it was taking over the Michigan Central train depot, we were told the rehab would be meticulous.
And today we're getting a look at how some very high-tech tools are being used to make sure it's exactly how it should be. Our Kim DeGiulio shows us how 3D scanners are being used to restore history.
Ford isn't cutting any corners when it comes to restoring the train station. And even though we're still years away from the finished product, a company called CATI is helping Ford get this building looking like it did 100 years ago. It's a partnership that started with Ford's vehicles.
So we're on kind of the engineering side, so we provide both software and hardware specific to automotives.
And now computer-aided technology, or CATI, is helping Ford restore the train station.
It basically will take a real part, you scan it, and then it puts it inside the CAD, and then you can actually change it like almost like it's clay. Or the more cool thing, and the thing that Ford's looking to do, is you can actually reproduce that part.
These 3D scanners allow architects to learn how the building was built so they can make the building look exactly the way it was meant to look.
Look at kind of in the front where the large windows are, there's all this kind of metal framing, and that metal framing is either gone or rotted. So what we're doing is we're actually scanning individual components of that so they can reproduce it.
Restoring a building's original features is nothing new here in Detroit, but using CATI is.
For us, if you think about traditional means, it can literally take weeks and months, and we can actually reduce it into the terms of hours and days.
For Dan Saperstein, who works for the company out of Pleasant Ridge, says getting the opportunity to restore a building that he's seen on the outside for his entire life is an honor.
In addition to being a technology guy, I'm a history buff. So to look at this building 25 years ago and to see where it is now today is amazing.
Ford plans to open the doors to the newly renovated Michigan Central Station in 2023. In Corktown, I'm Kim DeGiulio, Local 4.
So great watching it take shape, isn't it?
Yeah, it really is cool.